Stop. Breathe. Do not move, for this is the exact moment the timeline of your life shifts into a new frequency. You have reached day 14. You have traveled through the wilderness of the mind, through the valleys of doubt, and through the noise of a world that tried to dim your light. But the 14th day is the day of absolute completion. It is the day the King's seal is placed on the scroll of your eternal destiny. You are not here by accident. You are here because your soul has been summoned to the highest office of grace. You are entering the Sabbath Light. Imagine a light so pure, so blindingly golden that it incinerates every worry, every debt, and every trace of fatigue before you even take another step. Archangel Raphael is standing at the threshold of this 14th gate. He is not looking at your past mistakes. He is looking at your divine sovereignty. As you listen to the resonance of my voice, the high court of heaven is going into session. This is not the prayer of a beggar. This is the decree of an heir. Prepare your heart. Prepare your physical body. The verdict of your life is about to be read aloud. Visualize the doors opening now. They are not doors of wood or stone. They are doors made of solid, translucent light. As you step through, your feet touch a floor of white crystalline marble. Every step you take sends a ripple of liquid gold across the floor, echoing into the infinite. This is the court of light. The ceiling is an infinite sky of blinding noonday sun, the Sabbath Light. There are no corners here. There is no darkness. There is only an immaculate, vast space designed specifically for your restoration. Archangel Raphael walks towards you now. He wears a robe of woven sunbeams, and around his neck is a pendant of pure glowing emerald. His eyes are like liquid emeralds, full of a compassion so deep it feels like the home you have always searched for. He speaks, and his voice is like the sound of many waters, yet as soft as velvet. Son of light, daughter of sovereignty, you have arrived. He raises his staff of emerald light. As the tip of the staff touches the crystalline floor, a shockwave of peace explodes through your entire being. I decree silence over the voices of your enemies. I decree silence over the voice of the inner critic. I decree silence over the noise of the global economy. I decree silence over the vibrations of fear. Raphael moves closer. He places his hand of light inches away from your chest. You can feel the heat. You can feel the vibration of the divine frequency emanating from his palms. This is the Emerald Audit. The light begins to scan your physical temple. It enters your bloodstream. It enters your nervous system. It enters the very marrow of your bones. Where there was inflammation, the emerald light brings a cooling crystalline peace. Where there was cellular memory of trauma, the golden light of the Sabbath incinerates the record. Feel your shoulders dropping. Feel the tension in your jaw dissolving into the golden mist. Raphael is speaking to your DNA right now. He is reminding your cells of their original divine blueprint. He says, return to order. He decrees return to perfection. He decrees return to the state of unshakable strength. Visualize every organ in your body becoming translucent. Your heart is a ruby of light. Your lungs are wings of gold. Your brain is a sun of pure clarity. In the court of light, the verdict is already written. You are whole. You are restored. You are immaculate. Now the court turns its attention to your life in the physical world. Raphael opens a ledger made of liquid gold. This is the record of your divine inheritance. For too long you have been living on the crumbs of a world that does not know its creator. For too long you have accepted the lie of scarcity. But today, on this 14th day, the legal records of heaven are being corrected in your favor. The judge of all light passes the sentence: immediate restoration of assets. Hear the sound of the golden coins of heaven falling into your reality. Hear the sound of new contracts being signed in the spirit realm. Hear the sound of debts being canceled, wiped clean by the blinding light of the Sabbath. Raphael looks you in the eye and decrees, wealth is your natural state. Scarcity was a virus, and it has been deleted from your system. Visualize your home being flooded with golden light. Visualize your bank accounts being filled by the breath of God. Visualize your business and your creative works glowing with emerald sparks. Whatever you touch shall prosper. Whomever you speak to shall feel the authority of the court through you. You are no longer working for provision. Provision is now chasing you. The judgment has been rendered. The restoration is complete. But before you leave the court of light, Raphael has one final gift for your journey. He raises his hands, and from the Sabbath light above, a cloak of iridescent emerald energy descends upon you. It wraps around your shoulders. It settles around your aura like a wall of diamonds. This is the sovereign shield. It is a frequency that is invisible to the world, but blinding to the darkness. Negative words spoken against you will hit this shield and turn into dust. Fearful news will reach this shield and lose all its power. You are now an ambassador of the court of light. Everywhere you go, you carry the atmosphere of this marble hall. Everywhere you go, you carry the sovereign cadence of peace. Raphael whispers in your ear, you are never alone. The court is always in session within you. The 14th day is sealed. The journey you have taken has brought you back to your true self, the self that is one with the divine. Go forth now, not as a seeker, but as a king. Not as a patient, but as a healer. The world will notice the difference. The Sabbath light is now shining through your very eyes. If you accept the verdict of this court, type "The decree is final" in the comments below. This is your signature on the divine contract. Subscribe to our sanctuary. Remain in the light. The series continues, but your life has already changed forever. I am with you. The light is with you. The sovereignty is yours. Amen.
If this moment of quiet touched your soul, then you have found your sanctuary. Healing is not a single event. It is a journey we walk together, one breath at a time. To stay connected to the emerald light and ensure you never miss a step of your restoration, I invite you to subscribe to Quiet Moments with God. Click the bell icon so our morning prayers can find you, no matter where you are in the world. To anchor today's blessing in your life, leave a comment below with your specific intention, or simply type "Amen" to seal this prayer in your heart. Remember, your words carry the frequency of your faith. If you know someone who is walking through a valley of shadow, Share this light with them. You might be the answer to someone else's prayer today. You are loved. You are whole. You are never alone. I will see you in our next quiet moment. God bless you.